Hey guys, happy Sunday. I'm super excited. I just built a brand new page, right? Now, this page consists of a lot of income streams, right? The first income stream we're going to talk about is the marketing system, guys, because you know you need marketing system, you need marketing tools to grow anything, right? So, the first business that I'm going to give for free for 14 days is the Conversion Pros, right? Get it free 14 days. Test it out, try it out, learn all how to maneuver around the site like that, and then pay 50 bucks, right? And that's residual income commission that you'll receive once you give this business to someone else. That's residual that pays every Friday. So I put a video up right here that you can see the commission base right there. Yes, give me the free system, right? Second is I put a picture to show you some of the tools that you'll receive in your back office, guys. Right here. Yes, give me the free system. All right. Now that's residual income. You get paid every Friday. You can get paid straight to your bank, or you can get paid on a debit card that they provide you like that. So that's sweet right there. Okay, second income stream right here is instant cash right here, guys. It's called Easy One Up. I put a presentation video up right here, guys, that you can see. Watch this video, and all you gotta do is get started here. All these things is free just to, you know, so put your email and all that stuff and sign, put your password, and get started whenever you choose to get started, guys. All right. Now, the third thing is I want to give you something so you have avenue to get started, guys. I put 3 traffic sources that I use regular for my business right here. This is 3 online marketing traffic sources. I got one more I'll add to it later on that I use also. I just forgot to put this on there right there. So it'll be 4 traffic sources. Now, some of them is paid traffic sources and some of them are free. So take advantage of that. And so that's what I'm doing right there. And then the last thing is some people's not good online. So I thought about them because I use this traffic source also. Offline marketing, postcards with leads, guys. And I'll show you that in a minute. But I just put a picture up that's what you can do. Now, where I get the postcards is from Easy One Up. And let me show you that real quick. Okay, it's right here. Now you see that you can get the sizzle cards. I'm gonna use the sizzle cards, guys. And I'm gonna tell you the why. And you can do the postcards right here. What leads? Leads include, guys. You can, or use the postcards and you can buy a lead separate from them like that. Whatever you want to do. But I'm gonna do this strategy, guys, with this. Because it's cheaper. It's like little business cards, sizzle cards like this, like this. And you can put information what you want them right there because it's so cheap. You can get 5,000 on one side sizzle card for $89. Just pass them out, and then they will come and see all this, right? How to make money, right? And then when I talk to them, give me a call, man. So what I'm gonna do, guys, if you're on my team, you join. If you want this capture page or not capture page, but sales page that I created, and I'll show you what's up for sure. Just comment below, this YouTube video like that. And all you gotta do is change all the links up right there. So you'll get credit for all of them, guys, because even the traffic source you get paid. So, you know, so I'm gonna have 4. So that's 4 right there. The traffic sources that you'll earn commissions, but no commissions, all you doing is buying more traffic. That's all you're gonna do with that. And that's cool because you're growing your business that way for free, right? So that'd be 4 traffic source income that you'll make to buy thousands and thousands of clicks a week to keep on generating people to see your sales page, this sales page that I create, because I'll give you my share codes. This right here, instant income, guys. So if everything come in play, the traffic gonna pay for your traffic, the instant income will go in your pockets, and the residual income may pay your bills. You know what I'm saying? So this what I'm on for 2020, guys. It's gonna be very powerful. So if I hope you join my team, just reach out to me by comment below this video or something that hey man, I want to join your team. I want the same sales page that you just made. The 7 different income streams that you can make before I'm gonna keep on buying you traffic, guys. All right, guys, real quick video. Just want to share what I'm on for 2020. All right, guys, peace.